Olivia, I've been looking everywhere for you. I thought you disappeared. What are you doing down there? Why are you hiding? Just because you're small enough to fit in there doesn't mean you have to hide there. You're being reclusive. Yeah, it's funny. I came out of the kitchen just to put her bottle back in the fridge. Couldn't find her. I was like, what happened? And I looked down there. She's hiding from me. And then I tried to lure her out. I tried to pull her out. She didn't want to. Hi, Olivia. What's the matter? Come and play with Dada. I guess she just wants to hide out. Every kid wants a clubhouse.